Join me as I make a banana pound cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. First, prepare your pan. I used a tube pan, but a bundt pan will work just as well. You need to grease and flour it. Your ingredients are butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, lemon extract, plain yogurt or sour cream, baking soda, bananas, and flour. In your mixer, add 1 cup of very soft butter. To this, add 3 cups of sugar. Scrape down the bowl as needed, and you're going to mix this for about 5 minutes. Now while that is mixing, get your bananas ready. You need 2 to 3 very ripe bananas, and you're going to mash those because you need a total of 1 cup of mashed banana. Measure out your cup of banana and put that off to the side to use for later. Now at my grocery store, they sell these bags of bananas that were overripe, and they're super cheap, so that's what I always buy when I'm going to make something. And it even comes with a recipe for banana bread on the side. At this point, you're going to add 6 room temperature eggs, 1 at a time, mixing in between the addition of each egg. Add your extracts, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. If you don't have lemon extract, just add another 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add in those mashed bananas. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, to this you're going to add 1 cup of sour cream or plain Greek yogurt. I chose to use yogurt and it worked out perfectly fine. Now you'll add 3 cups of flour, a little at a time, and alternate back and forth between the sour cream or yogurt and flour until everything is well incorporated. Make sure you scrape down the sides. As with all cakes, you do not want to overmix this at the point where you're adding in your flour, so mix it to just get it incorporated. And towards the end, make sure you scrape down the sides to get any bits of flour that didn't get mixed back in. This makes a fairly thick batter. It's time to put it into your prepared pan that you had greased and floured earlier. I always like to put a parchment piece down at the bottom of my tube pan just to make sure that it comes off easily. You're going to bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 75 to 90 minutes. After 20 minutes of it being out of the oven and a toothpick that came out clean so you knew you could take it out of the oven, remove it from the pan and make sure that it completely cools before you slice into it. Now the outside of this is so crispy and flaky, it's delicious. The inside is dense and super moist, as all pound cakes are. It has just a slight bit of banana flavor. It's not overwhelming. It is completely amazing. I hope you'll give this one a try. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe, and thank you for joining me here at White Shadow Fare.